Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, we finally got this ceiling done on this outdoor patio, and let me tell you, it is awesome. Man, check this out. Look at this beautiful wood ceiling. This is all the boxcar ceiling, and a lot of planning went into this bad boy. So this is kind of the purpose of this video, but we put in all James small aperture speakers. These are the 63s, three-way speakers, and I believe the model number is actually SA63-7. So as you can see, let me see if I can get you guys right up there. There's a little square right there. That's where the speaker's at. We had the wood custom cut at James for the grill. So you don't have a typical speaker grill that you would see on a ceiling. No. We have custom grills from the wood, the actual wood that goes on the ceiling. So you can't even tell where they're at. So if I wouldn't have pointed that out to you guys, you probably would have never noticed it. And then to add to the customization of this patio, we added all DMF 2-inch lighting. And this is not your typical 2-inch lighting. This is your warm, dim, and custom aimable lighting. So we have eight 2-inch lights in the main area right here. And they're all dimmable down to 1%, and they're warm dim, which means they're gonna dim down from 1800 to 3000 K. So it's gonna be a nice, oh, just beautiful out here. I mean, you're gonna be able to adjust the light in any situation. Now, we took it another step further. See over there on the back wall? We added 4 can lights. These are all adjustable, so they're on their own switch. And we did that so we can highlight the wall and highlight this little outdoor kitchen area all by itself. So you can see behind me, we have a hot tub. It's kind of dirty. Construction just ended literally like Friday. And so we gotta work on some cleanup. But now you can enjoy the lighting, a little bit of backlighting on the back wall. There's our heater. We still gotta get it plugged in, but it's finally got gas going to it. So we'll have a heater there that's by Bromic, and then it's a gas heater. And we're putting that on a Lutron switch, which is gonna be super awesome. So that way we can control it through PICO remotes. We're gonna put 2 PICO remotes, one out here on a tabletop, and one on the inside so you can turn it on and off either place. And we're gonna have it part of our control system with the lawn, so you can control it through the control system. So if you wanna go ahead and start preheating the outdoors, you can. And then eventually, we're gonna add custom motorized shades here. And I'll turn the camera around, and one over there. So we have these made where it's framed in such a way that we can put a full shade in between those columns there and a full shade in between these columns here. And it's gonna be great. And can't wait for those to go in. But just a lot of thought and a lot of planning went into this patio. And again, look, I mean, just beautiful. And then of course, don't forget, in that corner over there is for an outdoor TV. So that way, anything playing on the TV can play through these awesome speakers. So again, we have 4 of these speakers. So we have 2 there and 2 there. And again, all 4 having a bass driver in it. It's gonna sound incredible. I mean, low volumes, high volumes. Now we're not gonna boom out with some super low, sound deafening bass, but it's gonna sound great. And I'm not gonna annoy the neighbors too much, hopefully. But of course, we're gonna use a nice amplifier that's gonna power them, probably the Sonance DSP 8130. So that'll be coming soon. And then we'll have a music streamer on top of that. So just wanted to show you guys, give you an update of the finished product. And of course, we have a ceiling fan going there. We got to put a cap on it for now because we haven't bought the fan yet. But other than that, that's it. Patio is looking good. I can't wait to get more things done, get some cleanup done out here. Actually start using a hot tub again. But I just want to show you guys how awesome this patio went. And being outdoors, you can always bring all that stuff you do indoors, audio, video, heat, all those things. So with a little bit of planning, we can make this space super nice. So Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them in the section down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. We got all kinds of new videos coming, and we got a lot of cool products that we're working on. So until next time, guys, we'll see you on the next one. See ya.